Hello everyone, welcome to the DJI channel. In this video we're going to be testing how well the DJI FPV drone penetrates through some of these trees right behind me, and we're going to be flying over the James River nice and low, close to the waterfalls. Hopefully we'll be able to find some kayakers and some birds. We can see how well this drone performs. Let's fly into it. Yeah. As you can see, it was a little shallow water. Up we go. Alright, so here we go. Going to lower the altitude and just skim the water, looking for kayakers. And I had seen these guys a little earlier, and here they are. Check this out. This is an amazing drone. Wow. Sorry about that. That little whiplash. Well, you got to be easy on the sticks when you're flying this guy if you want to get cinematic shots. Okay. I'll wait for him here. And there he goes by. Alright, let's work for the next guy. Ooh. Cool little inflatable kayak. Let's follow him for a while, see how he does. Yeah. An amazing drone. You gotta watch out for these little trees growing out of these rocks. But it's amazing. You can see it in the goggles. Oh, this guy's having a great time. Whoa. Awesome. I think he's a little worried about me being beside him. Alright, let's spin around and see if we can see the big raft here. What? Is a guy sitting on a nose? Oh yeah, check it out. Oh, it's a tiny little raft, so yeah. Wow, look at the dreads on this guy. He's got some long dreadlocks. 79% battery. There you go, guys. This is what the DJI drone can do that nobody else in the world, no FPV drone in the world can do. Is you can pitch the camera up and down, and it makes it perfect for these kind of shots. Yeah, the guy in the black kayak got some really long dreadlocks too. Wow, so cool. Alright, apologies for the whiplash again. Alright, let's do a punch up. Punch it up as high as we can. Pitch your camera down. You ready? Wow, that's what I'm talking about. The best drone, FPV drone in the world can do this. Pitch the camera down to get you this kind of shot. So cool. This is unbelievable. The shots that you get when you're cruising around like this are just amazing. Go ahead and drop an altitude, start skimming the water again. I'm just kind of enjoying flying this thing. This thing's just amazing. One of the things I need to learn is dial in some of the camera settings so I can adjust the white balance manually so it doesn't brighten and darken so much. It'll be easier to create a better video in post. Now usually there's a bunch of kayakers up here on the left, straight ahead, and yeah, I think they call that Variation Rapids right here, that break in that dam. And there's a bunch of rafters there too. Look at that. And another kayaker. Alright. Cruise downriver here, and well, here's some other kayakers. Awesome. Let's follow these guys for a little bit. See what they do. See what I do. See how well I can fly. Looks like this guy's stretching. Oh, and he gave me the tongue wave. Awesome. Oh man, that was a nice little ride there through that wave. Check that out in the yellow kayaker. Oh, nice. Oh, he got bumped out. Yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, this is a really nice trail. You can see the city in the background. I mean, just super nice. Whoa. Dang, sorry, dude. Got a big smile on his face. Here we go. Note to self, don't get so low. Oh, nice little hop over the rock. Yeah, that was really nice. Now the drone's in sports mode, so I don't have it in acro mode, thank goodness, because I'd probably crash it in the water if I did right now, because I'm not very good in acro. Still working on it, but yeah, just crazy. Crazy fun. Okay, let's go under this bridge. Walking bridge between the city of Richmond and Bell's Island that you see here on straight ahead. That's Bell Isle. It used to be a Union prison camp, and then George Washington used to have his personal distill there. Made his own booze. Okay, time to let this thing rip again. There we go. Oh boy, I see two birds on the left. Geese. Slow down. Oh yeah, check them out. I think they're going in for a landing. Wow. Much better flying there. I didn't jerk you guys around too badly. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, they're not happy with me. I'll leave them alone. Just move on. Alright, let's skim the water. Try not to hit the waterfalls. Got a bank left up here. Ready? That is a cool shot. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Yeah, somebody just pulled up. Oh, it's a family. I can hear them. Alright, starting to run low on battery. Yeah, got to keep an eye on that. 50%. And dropping. Now, check that. It was actually 40%. Let's skim this water again. This is so much fun. Guys, this is an amazing drone. combination with the goggles and the controller. I mean, just a real deal. Look at that. Wow, it's crazy how clear everything is. It's amazing. Incredible. Alright, time to head back. Running low on power, on battery.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Yeah, you heard that. I gotta get back. There we are. Ooh, auto returning home. Let's abort it. Yeah, that's the brake button. Here we are. Again, just amazing. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, crazy, man. Anyway, guys, so that's it. If you really want to enjoy this video, I mean, you need to rock and roll low and close to the water. I mean, just crazy. Just crazy. So that's my new word, crazy instead of amazing. So, unbelievably fun. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.